Yeah, man. Greetings once again. Abbaayalewamlak, heruseke mankamunu silo samanzu zinyo lengwe uboya bengwe. Bakwethu besicela ukunimema. June 16 for June 16 celebration, which will be on the 17th of June on the Monday. Memorial Acre, Soweto, opposite Morris Isaacson School. We'll be there to celebrate June 16 Youth Heritage. We'll be there to have an engagement with the youth. Sikhulume no nentsha, the future of this country. What is our responsibility to take the country forward? What can we learn from our past? What can we correct from the mistakes of the past? And what can we do for the future to better our own world? So siyanicela nonke nize lapha June 16. It's a free event. So you come, you are welcome. Refreshments, food, siyacela ke nizobona ukuthi nenza njani because it's a free event. We'll provide what we can provide, but please make sure now you've got your own supplies. But we're going to have a family picnic. So please bring your own food, your own drinks if necessary. Sizohlala phansi and have a family picnic on the whole day. So besilapha from 11 o'clock ekseni up until 5 o'clock ntambama. So please join us and bring your friends, bring your parents, bring your children, and let's enjoy June 16 and celebrate our youth and celebrate the struggles that we are all facing and see how we can make the future better. From me, abbaayalewamlak, I'll see you there, June 16. Give thanks. Blessed love.
Yeah.